Okay, we're here in the General Manager's Museum at Rifle Factory Ishapore. I'm going to show you some weapons here, that's the INSAS 1B. That's the 5.56 INSAS with a folding butt. This is the one with the fixed butt. This is the 1B again. This is your pump action shotgun, the so-called pellet gun. This is sporting rifles. 3 different types of sporting rifles. INSAS fixed butt, L1A1 fixed butt, paratroop version of the INSAS pistols, the Browning pistol, 9mm. This one's the L1A1 micro assault rifle, double barrel shotgun. The early version of the Excalibur 7.62 into 51 sniper rifle, M16, 303 short magazine Enfield 7.62, para version of the SLR, MRF 91, an early version of the AK-47 manufactured by the Ordnance Factory Board, a Type 56 Chinese assault rifle, the SIG 551 5.56 NATO, and this one is the FN-0204 5.56. The INSAS superficially resembles this weapon, though it has a completely different firing mechanism. This is the IMI Galil 5.56 assault rifle, almost entirely based on the AK-47, and the SIG 551 5.56.